my goodness. Would you look at that? Holy moly. Let's get the door opened up. Wow. But let's get out here and check, see how the ceramic slam's holding up. Holy moly. This is some rain here, boys. But let's get out and see how it's doing. I put this on about a month ago, and I've been wanting to get out here and get you an update, but I just haven't done it. But yeah, ceramic slam applied about a month ago. As you can see, it's beating nicely. Water's running off of it like it's supposed to. Yeah, beating real nice. It's on there, doing the job. 1 month later. Whoa, lightning. I gotta get out of this. But yeah, remember the hydrosilix? Didn't even make it a month. Here we are with the ceramic slam a month later, and look at it. So there you go. I wanted to give you a quick update. Like I said, it's been a month since I applied the ceramic slam. It's holding up really nice. I mean, for a spray-on ceramic coating, it's not a 9/8 coating, but it does the job. It's very, very simple to apply, and that's what they were shooting for. Lithium Auto was shooting for a product that we as consumers could purchase and apply easily without any hazards or any complications, and it still gives us protection and everything. That's exactly what this is doing. Month in, like I said, the hydrosilix you saw, it didn't even make it a month. It's as flat as a bone. But the ceramic slam is doing its job. It's still beating nicely and everything. I just put one coat on it. I could go back and put another coat and get extreme durability, but I like doing just one coat unless the product says to do two. That way you get a true judge of how easily it is to apply and how long it stays on there. Well, the rain's starting to slack off. That's good. But yeah, it's out there. It's doing a great job. We'll keep this update going. Until the next one, thanks for watching.